How to create or delete a directory using the FileZilla FTP client. Open the FileZilla client application on your Windows system. Enter the host name in the host field. For example, ftp@wpenguage.uk. This is your domain name. Now enter the username into the username field, and password into the password field. Enter the port number where your server listens. The default port number is 21. You may leave the port field empty if your login information doesn't specify a certain port to use. Click on the Quick Connect button. The server pane displays files and directories on the connected server. Right-click on the empty space within the file name box. Click on the Create Directory option. Give a name to the directory. For example, image. Click on the OK button. You can double-click image folder to open it. You can create a directory inside any other directory just like the image directory by following the previous steps. To delete a directory, right-click on the directory. Click on the Delete option. Click on the Yes button. That's it. You have successfully created and deleted a directory using FileZilla FTP client. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.